Bhatia and Elizabeth Hospital. I am very much sure that our speaker will enlighten us with the latest development in prevention of the hepatitis B. I request Dr. Machiswala to take proceeding further. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. First of all, on behalf of the Red Crescent Society of India, the Humanity Health Organization, and my friends, I extend a hearty welcome to each one of you present over here for this unique gathering. One, to discuss about hepatitis B, what is its problem and how do we prevent. And two, we are also meeting on a very important occasion. The country is just celebrating Diwali. So before we start further, I would request Dr. Supriya and Dr. Roma to please come over and give a Diwali greetings message to all of us. Dr. Supriya is a psychiatrist working with me at Masina Hospital and JJ Hospital.
Good afternoon, doctors. I'm here. Good afternoon, doctors. I'm here to wish you all Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Diwali. What a beautiful time to spread joy and light into people's lives. And that's what we all are here for. I thank you all for being present here and sharing with us your precious time, which you all could have spent with your families on this beautiful Sunday afternoon of Diwali. Your presence here is a ray of light to every single human heart that is touched, and it is your presence only that has made this occasion worthwhile. I'm sure that each of you all is capable of total compassion, dedication, and commitment to humanity, and I hope that these qualities will continuously be expressed not just in thought but through words and actions in our healing ministry. There prevails love, empathy, and compassion for mankind. For we all know that compassion is the only remedy for all maladies. On today's occasion of Bhau-Beej, which is a celebration of brotherhood, let us all be united in one mind and one line and pray to the God, the Almighty. Let the feeling of universal brotherhood prevail amongst all of us and make our bond with each other strong with hope and faith in Thee. And let us all hope that God would be gracious to us for this noble cause of ours. Happy Diwali and Happy New Year again. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Supriya, for giving this wonderful message of Diwali to everybody over here. We are also very happy to have amongst us the President and the Office Bearer of Indian Medical Association. The present President is Dr. Shanbag, who's young, who's dynamic, and who's really working very hard for the medical community. We are also very happy to have Dr. S.N. Agarwal, who has come all the way down from Bhayandar. He is the President of the Association of Medical Consultants. All the consultants of Bombay, we have the association, and he is the President. He is representing the AMC today. We also have Dr. Peter Rodrigues. Everybody knows him over here. He's the most beloved ENT surgeon, Professor of ENT Surgery at St. George Hospital and Grand Medical College. Dr. P.P. Rao, I do not know, he was here with us. He must have had some urgent call or urgent visit or something. He was also to be on the dais. We were to have Dr. A.C. Mohanty, the Dean of Grand Medical College, but because of some urgent work, he is unable to join us. Dr. Sapat Nekar, the Deputy Director of Medical Education and Research of Government of Maharashtra, was also to be with us, but he also had some urgent problem, so he is unable to join us. Now, before we start with the proper topic per se, I am sure you all would like to listen to the one and only one, Dr. Subhash Salunke. No words, I have absolutely no words to, say about this particular giant personality. He is one of the rare personality in our, I would say, in our government health cadre. In fact, he is so much in demand that we, our people, we have to really fight for him to be over here. Most of the time, the World Health Organization and Geneva, they always want his expert advice and opinion. So in between, he was there for a couple of years on deputation to Geneva for some WHO AIDS-related project. I'm sure he's going to give us some pearls of wisdom regarding the health facilities and, regarding other aspects. May I request Dr. Subhash Salunke, would you like to talk from there, would you like to come here, sir? So there, They must see you, you know how